Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add subscribe button to short videos. So you have to open the YouTube Shorts on the Android device. So you have to go to the Shorts and you have to create for Shorts. It will be loading. So I will create, for example, Shorts to teach you how to add subscribe button on Shorts. So it will be created. So I will click to the text and I will type subscribe. So I will type subscribe and change the color of red, and you have to add with background red, and you will click to the next and set it this subscribe button. So this is how to add subscribe button on YouTube Shorts. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.